Which company, with support from the Technology Development Board, TDB, Department of Science and Technology, DST, is developing India's first 240-volt electric motorcycle platform? A. Ola Electric. B. Raptee Energy Pvt Limited. C. Ather Energy. D. TVS Motor Company. Answer: B. Raptee Energy Pvt Limited. Explanation: Technology Development Board, TDB, under the Department of Science and Technology, DST, has supported the development of India's first 240-volt electric motorcycle platform, developed by Raptee Energy Pvt Limited, Chennai. Features: 240 VDC architecture, first of its kind for two-wheelers in India. Enables faster charging, higher efficiency. Compatibility with India's charging infra. Comes with an ARAI-certified battery pack. Supports Aatmanirbhar Bharat and aligns with UN SDGs. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. SDG 13, Climate Action. Dinesh Arjun, CEO, Raptee.